Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Emilio, and today we're diving into the world of AI to build a custom GPT that you can help with recruitment. Specifically, we'll create an AI recruiter app that can compare up to 5 applicants to a job post. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool that will help you streamline the hiring process. So let's get started. So Explore GPTs, as you can see on my screen here, is an incredible feature of ChatGPT. Allows you to create custom AI models tailored to your specific needs, whether it's for a personal use or for business. Explore GPTs makes it easy to build and customize your own GPTs and have access to other GPTs written by other users of ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you how to use this feature to create an AI recruiter app and allows you to compare job applicants effectively. So here's what we'll accomplish in this video. We'll build a new GPT that helps compare up to 5 applicants on a job post. The GPT will allow the user to upload the job post and 5 separate resumes. Using these documents, it will create a table with rows for each candidate and columns for qualifications, current position fit, unique attributes, and a percentage for the match for the job. The table will be sorted from highest to lowest percentage match. Sounds awesome, right? Let's dive in. So while we're in Explore GPTs, we have this Create button in the upper right-hand corner. We'll select this and we'll select the Create tab here. This would allow us to provide a script that will help us build out our new GPT. In our message GPT builder, paste in our script. Let's run through what we're going to build here. So help me build a new GPT that helps compare up to 5 applicants to a job post. I want the GPT to allow the user to upload the job post and 5 separate resumes. With these documents, I want the GPT to create a table with a row for each candidate, columns for qualifications, current position fit, unique attributes, and a percentage match for the job. Sort the table from highest to lowest. We'll go ahead and get that started. It's now updating the GPT. We'll let it work its magic. Okay, now it's ready. And it's asking us if we would like to name our GPT job applicant comparator. Would you like to confirm this? In our example, we said, let's name this GPT AI Recruiter. All right, so now it's going to give us a number of options. In this case, we want to choose from the prompts that will get us started. In this section, we have upload the job posts and resumes for comparison. What are the qualifications? Show me the current position fit for each candidate. For what we're doing first, the best example of this would be to upload the job post and resumes. We're going to test this out. So we have a folder filled with all of our job descriptions and our resumes. So let's select all of these, open this. So we have Emily Johnson, Jane Smith, John Doe, Michael Brown, and the actual project coordinator job description, and Sarah Wilson. So we have 5 resumes and 1 job description, and we'll load it up. So we have a project coordinator position. As we can see, this GPT has given us a table as we've asked for. And now it compares each candidate where we can see Emily Johnson all the way at the top at 95% match, 3 years as a project coordinator, experience with project management tools like Jira, Trello, and a bachelor's in business administration, has current position fit, current coordinator at Facebook, technical projects and support. We also have familiarity with Facebook's project tools. And so we have a 95% match here. We scroll down, we see that Jane Smith is a 90% match. Project manager at Microsoft, manages software projects, strong background in Agile. We also have John Doe, 7 years of technical program management experience with cloud computing, AI, PMP certification to TPM and Amazon, and has extensive technical and managerial expertise. And so what's great about this is that if you had a really good view of your particular description and all of the candidates that you would like to have a short list of resumes that come in, this may give you a better view and a better way to compare a number of those candidates in a way that would be easier to manage. And what's great about this is that it really does give you some of those highlights. So if you are going to do a comparative analysis of a number of candidates and you really want a good short list of individuals who you may want to go and contact, this would be a great way to build a tool that allows for your teams to best review all of the resumes in a very quick and easy way. Now, the last step to finish completing this is we just want to go to the AI Recruiter section under Configure, make sure we have our name, we've got all the information that's tied to this, and everything that we need for this is all set up. So now we can go to My GPTs, and we can see the AI Recruiter is here to be able to use. And then we can also, once we have this published, then we can be able to share this with anyone else within our organization that's using ChatGPT. So congratulations, you just built your AI Recruiter custom GPT using ChatGPT's Explore GPT section. This tool can help you save a ton of time and make your recruitment process much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.